Hey there, video creators! Today we're going to solve a common dilemma syncing audio in DaVinci Resolve. Whether it's your voiceover or background music, let's get that synchronization on point. So, here's my timeline, a mix of voiceover and video. But the audio channels are all jumbled up. Let's bring order to this chaos. First things first, highlight everything on your timeline, including the video. This method works wonders not just for voiceovers, but also for syncing background music with your content. Now, here comes the magic touch. Right-click on the highlighted media, and from the menu, select Auto-Align Clips. It's the key to our synchronization journey. In the Auto-Align Clips menu, opt for Based on Waveform. This tells DaVinci Resolve to use the waveforms in your audio files to sync them seamlessly. With a simple click, let DaVinci Resolve work its magic. Your audio files, whether voiceover or background music, are now synchronized, creating a harmonious blend. And there you have it, synced audio in DaVinci Resolve, making your editing workflow smoother than ever.